I wrote this song yesterday, so I'm still kind of working it out. Left the party scene alone, ghost of his past towing him along. The sunset grew gray, like an old maid sick of putting things away. His lost love's eyes flickered for a minute, then died in the lights. More heartache awaits. Angelina is too precious, Angelina is too great. She felt not a thing. He spilled his heart before her, and she didn't even flinch. Better luck next time. Better luck finding new eyes for the blind. Drown in misery, taste and feel everything that's out of reach. Drown in fear and plead, taste her tongue and touch her in your every dream. Just a parasite of old, sitting in his hollow shell, angry